Around me, sing your dollar, dollar bill, y'all. Dollar, dollar bill, y'all. Dollar, dollar bill, y'all. Dollar, dollar bill, y'all. I'ma tell you, like who told me, cash rules everything. Around me, sing your dollar, dollar bill, y'all. Dollar, dollar bill, y'all. Dollar, dollar bill, y'all. Dollar, dollar bill, y'all. Living got harder, cause hoes got smarter. On the strip or something they don't wanna be a part of. Rather be.
And a 30-gram lipstick. Nobody know if it's safe or not, but there's some people that have been using, you know, products from China for years. They're still living to this day. Bruh. You know? And they don't stick. Hey guys, I'm a sharpen now. I used to sharpen my pencil, guys. And a 30 gram and a 2 of them I get, see that? 2 of them. I did everything I mash up here now. Da! And on a 30 gram foundation. And on a 30 gram and a 30 gram eyeshadow. And on a 30 gram highlighter. And on a 30 gram. Guys, everything at $1. Dollar. Yeah, Japanese card. $1. Guys. This is the look that I got from, you know, it's a transformation. So if you want to see how I got this look, stick around. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Just decided to do something a little bit different, something that I've always wanted to do, or maybe I've done this before, but it was like my first video.
And we are going to
okay guys, so the first thing that we're going to be doing is I'm going to be doing my eyebrows, and one of the products that I'm going to be using is I have this it's called Music Flower Long Wear Gel Eyeliner, and it's in brown. It's called Music Flower. I'm going to be using this to my eyebrows. You know, when I'm in focus or when I'm not in focus. So I'm going to be using Espolier, and this is in ochre beige. Oh my gosh. And it's in katakana. It's like ochre.
But these look nice. What do you think?
So I'm going to be using this as a foundation and this as like concealer, and then I'm going to be mixing both of these to spread all over my face. But I'm going to try them out first to see what it is like. And this is in black walnut,
and this is like a smaller
and the
version.
clean colors is in espresso. Look at
this
espresso.
one is fuller. Okay. Why is this $2? Isn't this a 100 yen store? This is $2. But why?
Guys, it seems as this is like a
velvet
moisturizer.
lipstick. Well, I'm gonna get this red one.
To be
That's
honest.
it. These are too light.
Okay.
This is
I'm just blending that.
shading powder.
I'm going to take a little over my eyes, because right here.
These are all too light. Yes. This is
Okay. That isn't bad.
all by me.
Let's take
lip
some on my
gloss.
forehead. I don't really use foundation on my forehead.
Lip glosses. This is nice. Mio Caras. And glue. Yeah. This is it. Ochre beige. It says ochre beige. This one.
I look weird. Maybe this is not
It
my...
says ochre beige. This is it.
But
So you
anyway,
can
if it's
probably
too dark, we
maybe
can
this
use
to
the other.
highlight. It looks like my concealer. It has like
We
a
need to just
pinkish
fix that.
undertone, but we're gonna make it work.
But it's like a moisturizer.
What else would I like? Oh, I want brush. Oh, I need to use to brush my hair. So we're gonna try this one. I'm gonna buy this for myself.
Okay, am I satisfied with
What
this?
else do?
Let me get a close-up.
Think I'm done pretty much. Oh, cute. What's this? Oh, it's like hair thingy.
Okay, I'm not gonna add anything else to it. I'm gonna try to use this same one, the Espolier concealer highlighter in ochre beige or ochre beige, ochre beige. Right. So guys, I got this one. This is the sponge foundation puff. That's what it says. Daiso foundation puff. This is for $2. I'm not sure why. It should be selling for $2. Because I wet the sponge and the sponge didn't even get fatter. Anyway, we're going to use this. How am I going to use it? This way? Oh gosh, it's like the worst. What? Oh no. Okay, wait. Okay, this sponge isn't working. Oh my, can you see? This sponge isn't working. Let me use my other. This is actually a $1 sponge because I got it from China. So it's really a $1 sponge. Oh my gosh, guys.
No.
I'm gonna use this super clean color. I'm gonna be using this as my concealer because it's like very light. Okay, this is going to be a total fail.
Oh no!
Why? Could have just pass the test and done. Bad man, so nah, no behavior. I'm gonna be using this, the Sylyne 105 brush, cause that sponge thing ain't not gonna work at all. The foundation I move throughout it. Alright, yeah. Okay. Back to basic. Watch me. Alright, I'm gonna make it work. My girl, my educate you. Come to know where I was. Right, you're gonna make this work. You're gonna make it work, man. We're gonna make it work. It have to work. Everybody must work. Work. Blend out that. Alright, overlook. Alright, oh, this over. So I'm gonna be using my black opal finishing powder because I don't got no powder in Japan that can work. Oh my gosh, girl, you use too much, man, goodie. Alright, the powder is set it really nice. If I had a powder that was $1, I would try to use it. Guys, I know this is not $1, but I don't got anything else. I just went ahead since I was waiting and did one eye. What I use this. This one is this is made in China. This is called Lugine. This is the color. I use this one as my transition shade. I'm not sure you're seeing. I use this one as my transition shade, and then I went in with this one. This is something that I had a long time ago because I bought it from because I was like exploring but I didn't know what to do with them, so I bought this quad, and I use this one right here and this one right here. This one, and I'm just gonna use it here. And this brush, guys, it is from the 100 yen store. Even though I use this in my regular makeup videos, but I like it. It's really fluffy and nice, and it gets the job done. So that's what it says, colorful eyeshadow. And I'm going to be using this one. It's a little bit powdery in a sense, because that's Fallout, of course, because it's like $100, like $1 makeup. So okay, so I'm gonna be using it right here, and it's very nice, easy to apply. To be honest, nobody knows if it's safe or not, but there's some people that have been using, products from China for years. They're still living to this day. Bruh. And they don't. I mean, I'm not like promoting anything from China. Like, nothing is wrong with China, to be honest. Like, most of the products that we use, that brands put their names on, they're all coming from China. So nothing is wrong with China. It's like when it becomes bad when you actually get stuff from China that, like fake products and stuff like that. But there are some products that are honestly like people design them. For example, Daiso. It's an unofficial company that sells products in Japan, but it's like dirt cheap. You know what I'm saying? And the products that they sell, maybe they're not like the best quality or the best standard, but they were approved. So they're safe to use, you know what I'm saying? But they're not like the best. And Lots of people are using them. You know, even though people might look down on you. Oh my gosh, you're shopping at the dollar store for your makeup? Are you crazy? Yeah, but there are some people that's the only thing that they can afford. You know what I'm saying? And I used to use it. And I still use it, to be honest. Like, if I see a lip gloss that works really well, I try it and it works very nice, I'm going to wear it. I'm not gonna be like, oh my gosh, it's dollar store makeup. Whatever. It works for me. I like how it looks. And if it's satisfying me, like, I don't have a problem with it. It can actually work, and if it's not harming me, it's fine for me. If it's giving me the look that I want, you know what I'm saying? No problem. We're gonna go in with this now, the black gel liner. This is like $1, like $1 and some cents. So I'm gonna be adding that right here. I'm just gonna go into this one, kiss. Okay. A little bit of this gel liner, same one we used to add the liner, and just to hide her. Okay guys, so this is what we have so far. I got 2 in the package. Just gonna sharpen this, and this is me now pencil. This is from China. I got 12 of them for like $3 or 300 yen. So that's less than $1. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with this. Wow, this is so nice, guys. I am impressed. I am shook it. Can you see? I'm just gonna mix these two and see if we can get like a highlighting something. I don't know. A bit dusty. So we're just gonna add some of that here. Oh. Oh my gosh, is it? Whoa. Made in Taiwan. It's the name of it is colorful eyeshadow. Well, this is made in Taiwan. It's still China, but Taiwan. But this is so nice. But it's like $1. I couldn't find any nice like eyeshadow palettes at the drugstore, but then I remembered I had one that I bought maybe some months ago because I thought it was like very nice. But guys, look at this. Whenever I come for waste time, I will come for soya in our dollar makeup. Whenever I come for waste time, I will come for soya in our dollar makeup. Whenever I come for waste time, I come for soya in our dollar makeup. Another 30-gram lipstick, another 30-gram foundation, another 30-gram gel liner, another 30-gram eyeshadow, another 30-gram highlighter, another 30-gram lashes. Guys, everything at $1. $1. Hyaku yen, as Japanese call it, $1. Guys, only thing me tell us the only thing we make this a makeup yeah completely legit are this only thing that make it legit. But guys, everything else $1. It yeah, clean colors guys, clean colors. Give me highlight, goodie. I'll show you this here. So this Aquadia from Taiwan, Daiso Japan, Taiwan. Yes guys, this give me the eye look and it give me the highlights. And yeah guys, I'm a sharpen now. Me used to sharpen my pencil guys, and a 30 grand and a 2 of them I get, see that? 2 of them. I did everything I mash up here now. $1. So guys, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to click that notification bell. You get notifications when I post a video. So